Knee pain during movement can adversely affect our daily activities. Knee injuries are so common that 1 in 4 adults suffer from knee pain and injuries at any given point of time. That's a billion people. That is why we developed Fitknees, an AI sensor system that assesses the knee joint. Fitknees quantifies the entire spectrum of patient treatment, from disability to functionality, through tests like range of motion, extension deficit, proprioception, muscle strength, static and dynamic balance, 6-minute walk test. Fitknees is India's first ever technology to provide gait analysis in just 1 minute. Detailed data analytics reports presented in simple format allows you to understand your patients and personalized treatment plan, objectively monitor their progress, and give them the confidence they need to opt for a surgery only when it is necessary. Make a real difference in your patients' lives with Fitknees.